In this video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photo on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Instagram, tap there on your DMs and get into some conversation. And now to send disappearing photo to that person, tap here on camera icon, and now you can use camera to make a picture, or you can tap there on your gallery icon to add photos from your gallery. I'll select that one, and now here tap on allow reply. Now tap on keep in chat, and now the mode set to view once. And if I send this photo now, it can be viewed by recipient just once. It shows up for a couple of seconds, and after that it disappeared. So now you know how to send disappearing photo, and make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.